Warning: watching this collection may cause sudden urges to sell your sofa, your fridge, your neighbor's fridge, just to get one of these machines. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, riders of tomorrow, welcome to a world where style bends reality and engines sound like they were tuned by the gods of speed. Get ready, because these aren't just bikes, they're futuristic masterpieces. Let's start with those sleek white beasts, smooth, clean, aerodynamic, shining like they were polished by angels with extreme attention to detail. These are motorcycles, they're rolling luxury. Now look at the red ones, muscular, sharp, and hotter than chili oil on a summer day. These bikes don't accelerate, they just politely ask the air to get out of the way. And here they come, the golden monsters. Bikes so premium, even billionaires look at them like, bro, chill, you're making my supercar insecure. These engines glow brighter than your best day. Black bikes? Oh yes. Smooth, stealthy, mysterious. The kind of machines that make you feel like a superhero even if you're just going to buy bread. One rev, and suddenly the whole street respects you. Then we've got neon curves, glowing rims, holographic details. Bikes so stylish, they don't even ride, they glide like they're entering a fashion show on wheels. Every corner is a flex. Every reflection is a photo shoot. Look at the details, the lights, the metals, the colors. These bikes weren't designed. They were sculpted by someone who decided reality needed an upgrade. At first, the bike we're going to see now is the Speedster, built for one thing and one thing only: pure, unfiltered, earth-shaking speed. Forged from razor-thin aerodynamics and engineered with a power core built to dominate every straight line on the planet. This is the Speedster, the machine made to outrun the wind itself. Look at its body, long, low, and lethal. Every curve sculpted to slice air. Every panel designed to keep the bike glued to the ground, even when the world becomes a blur. As the lights dim, the Speedster rolls forward with a deep growl, a sound that tells you this machine was not made for comfort. It was made for victory. Its engine pulses like a heart ready to explode. The exhaust vents glow with molten orange heat. And the moment the throttle opens, the world stretches. No hesitation, no drag, no merci. The Speedster rockets ahead with brutal acceleration, tearing through the air like a sharpened blade. Its tires grip the asphalt with perfect precision, leaving behind burning streaks of speed and raw adrenaline. This is for the riders who don't want to glide, don't want to float, don't want to cruise. This is for the ones who want to dominate the straight, devour distance, and turn every road into a battlefield of speed. The Speedster, where every second is a challenge, and every ride is a record breaker. The next bike we're about to see is not built for the calm. It's built for the hunters of the future. Forged from sharp neon energy, wrapped in an aggressive electric frame, and designed with angles that look like they were cut from lightning itself. This is Neo Striker, the electric predator. Its body is lean, sharp, alive. Every edge glows with pulsing neon. Every plate responds like a living machine sensing the world around it. As the lights dim, Neo Striker flickers in and out of the shadows, its electric veins sparking beneath the surface. Then, one sudden flash, the entire bike lights up like a bolt tearing open the night. This machine doesn't idle. It stalks. It hums with the intensity of a storm waiting to strike. At full output, Neo Striker unleashes instant torque, throwing the rider forward like the world is being pulled backward. The air crackles. The ground vibrates. And the neon glow behind it becomes a signature only legends leave behind. This isn't just a superbike. It's a weapon of light, built for speed, built for precision, built for riders who don't just move. They strike. Neo Striker. When the future attacks, it attacks in neon. The next bike we're about to reveal is not powered by fuel, not driven by electricity, but by light itself. Born from next-gen solar nanocell technology and sculpted from panels that shimmer like metal dipped in sunrise. This is Solar Seraph, the light-powered guardian. Its body glows with a warm golden pulse, absorbing every beam, every reflection, every spark of light in its environment. And when the energy builds, the Seraph awakens. Watch as the panels shift subtly, breathing like wings preparing for flight. The glow rises from soft to fierce. The lines across its frame brighten into streaks of living illumination. Then, with a whisper of light, Solar Seraph launches. No smoke, no road, only a clean, pure burst of luminous speed tearing through the air like a blade forged from sunshine. Every acceleration feels weightless, fluid, and impossibly smooth. This is not a bike for the dark. It's a bike that creates its own light. Designed for riders who refuse to be powered by anything ordinary, who believe speed can be beautiful, and that power doesn't have to be violent. Solar Seraph. Ride the light. Become the brightness. All right, next bike we're going to see is something the future has been waiting for. A machine that doesn't roar, it glides. A creation so light, so precise, so perfectly shaped by aerodynamics that the wind itself bends in respect. This is the Aero Ghost. Born from whisper-quiet propulsion and ultralight materials, every inch of this bike is carved for absolute smoothness. Look at its frame, thin, sharp, flawless. Look at its glow, soft, steady, controlled. Aero Ghost doesn't fight the air. It becomes part of it. As it rolls forward, there's no rumble, no thunder, just a soft breath of motion. A silent force preparing to unleash a speed the world has never seen. At full output, the Aero Ghost creates a tunnel of silent airflow around its body, lifting resistance, bending drag, letting the rider float through the future at impossible velocity. Where others scream for attention, this one dominates with quiet confidence. This is the bike for riders who don't chase chaos. They chase perfection. They carve through the air like a blade. Smooth, sharp, unstoppable. Aero Ghost, where silence becomes speed and speed becomes art. The first bike we're going to see is the Titan Velocity. In a future ruled by precision, power, and impossible engineering, a new beast rises from the darkness. Forged from living nanometal muscle, sculpted for dominance, and driven by a heart that roars like controlled lightning. This is Titan Velocity, the machine built to break limits the world thought were untouchable. Look at its stance. Wide, massive, unshakable. A white armored creature designed for only one purpose, pure, unstoppable speed. As the fog clears and the lights strike its body, the world falls silent. A deep growl echoes through the air, and Titan Velocity awakens. Its power core ignites, energy pulsing through glowing veins across its muscular frame. And then the number that changes everything appears on its display. 400 kilometers per hour. Not theoretical, not experimental, real, achievable, unleashed. At 400 kilometers per hour, air becomes a weapon, and fear becomes meaningless. This machine doesn't ride the road, it dominates it. It tears through limits, bends the wind, and rewrites what speed truly means. Titan Velocity is not for the ordinary. It's for the ones who dare to chase the impossible. And catch it. Tonight, its legend begins. This is Titan Velocity. 400 kilometers per hour of raw, unstoppable future power.